Next, we're going to go on to buying and selling and trading cryptocurrency and how you can do it. So I'm going to be showing you a physical demonstration of using the platform which I use, which I'm going to first show you on Binance, and then I'm going to show you on Coinbase. And these are two websites which I use to trade and buy cryptocurrency. Now, a first disclaimer I'm going to use is I don't recommend you to keep your money stored on these platforms. I recommend you to get it off as soon as possible and put it into a wallet for maximum security so you don't lose it. So we're on Binance.com right now. So this is going to be the first showcase. I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase.com after, but if you want to use Binance, I'm going to show you how Binance works first of all. So Binance is the most popular crypto exchange. It's number one right now, and then we have Coinbase probably at number two. So if you're going to use Binance, I'm going to show you how you use it. So we have a few different options. So I'm just going to move my camera momentarily. So as you can see over here, we have this button on the left, buy crypto. So this is how we actually buy crypto on Binance. So we can deposit via our card to spend money directly from a debit or credit card to buy crypto on this section over here, and we can also use Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can also do P2P trading, so this is things like bank transfer and 100 more options. So I'm going to show you these few different settings over here. So this is the P2P exchange where we can buy crypto. Now by P2P, this basically means that we're buying our crypto not from Binance, but we're buying it from individual sellers. So these are individual sellers here who are not affiliated with Binance. I don't recommend this unless you kind of have a little bit of experience, because you might get scammed. Then we have deposit over here. So we went on card deposit, and basically this brings us to this button, deposit fiat. Fiat basically just means normal money, right? So like the US dollar. So you'd select your currency we want to deposit over here. So mine would be pound, GBP, and we'd select our options. So bank transfer directly from our bank or from our bank card, and then we press continue. The next one is credit/debit card. So this is how we buy and sell using our debit card, which is the method which I use. I could type in a number like 10. The minimum is 15 on here. I would deposit from a card £15 GBP, Great British Pound, and I would receive 0.000633 BTC, which is Bitcoin. So if I press BTC, it will allow us to choose different coins. So I could buy Ethereum instead, BNB, or any of these cryptos. And I could search in this bar over here, and I could search for different crypto. So for an example, I could buy Dogecoin, which I wouldn't recommend. That's just how to buy any different crypto. So for the most part, you're probably going to buy BTC or ETH. And the value will change over time. So if the amount you receive is different to the amount you would have received earlier, don't worry, because that's normal. Okay, you can also click on reoccurring buy to buy on regular intervals. So if you are dollar cost averaging, like we've mentioned in this course, then that's how you would reoccurringly buy on a routine basis. We can also press on sell over here, and this allows us to spend a certain amount. So as you can see here, this is our balance. So if I had Bitcoin on Binance and I press max, I could then sell that out of my balance on Binance. So if I had 100 Bitcoins on Binance, which is very unrealistic, then I would receive this amount into our bank, and we press continue, and it sent it me via my card. Then the last one was cash balance. So this is where we buy or sell based on our cash balance. So this is our balance on Binance in cash, and that's what we'd use as the payment method. So all you need to know is basically the buy and sell for the beginner methods. Obviously the trading section, derivatives, and other sections are for more advanced users. And they also have an NFT section to buy NFTs on here. Now on the right hand side of the screen, you can see under wallet, there's a drop down. If we click on overview, it shows an overview of my account, and fiat and spot is for deposits and withdrawals. So overview will show me a generic overview of our account. So there's a button here at the top for deposit, to deposit, withdraw, send, and transfer. So this is how we're going to move our funds around. And it shows our deposit and withdrawal history. Now on the left hand side, we also have links and quick links to other parts. Now you can see from my BTC balance, I don't have much because I transferred it all off the exchange, which I'd recommend you need to do so you don't lose your money, right? Next is fiat and spot, which I clicked on at the top from wallet as well. Now fiat and spot will show your balance in fiat, which is our normal standard currency balance, and also our balance in BTC for an example, and our spot balance, and the estimated balance over here. So this basically shows our balance in all of our coins. So if you want to know how much you're holding on Binance, this is where you'd go. So I have a very low amount of GBP on my account, which is available. If I scroll down, I have a tiny fraction of Ethereum, like 61 pence. I have like 3 pence of Monero, 0.007 pence of Bitcoin, basically nothing, okay? But if I want to transfer any of this off into my wallet, what I would do is I'd go to what I want to transfer. So for an example, I have Ethereum, and I just click on withdraw. And what this would do is then I could select the coin I want to withdraw and it'll show all the balances, and Ethereum is what we selected. And under the address, this is where you paste your wallet address. So when you have a wallet, you can copy the address from the software or wherever you have your wallet, type the address in here, and the network for Ethereum would obviously be Ethereum. After we type in the address, it will allow us to then send it. So this is how we actually withdraw it from the exchange. So that's Binance. If you want to sign up for Binance, you can use my link in the description down below. Okay, so now we're on Coinbase.com. So if you're using Coinbase, this is going to be the platform you're going to be using. So I'm going to be showing you how this works to buy and sell crypto. As like I said before, if you go in the link below in the description, I have a link for you to sign up to Coinbase. And if you use my link, it will not only help me, but it will also give you some free crypto when you actually use the platform. So it's mutually beneficial and it helps you get kickstarted, and it also helps support the channel. So I'd appreciate if you use the link. As you can see, I have a £1 balance right now. I don't really have any crypto on this platform because I'm using Binance, but I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase. So if I just move my camera over here and put it to the bottom of the screen, I can show you at the top we have buy and sell, which we're going to be taking a look at in a few moments. We have send and receive. And then on the right hand side, we have the top movers, which is basically just cryptos that have seen the biggest changes in the last duration of time. We also have the price for Bitcoin. So this is our watch list. We also have the top assets, so we can view what's performing the best. So we have Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously as expected. And we have trending as well, if you want to have a look at what's happening. So my watch list is just on Bitcoin. I can also click on my assets on the left hand side. And what that will do is it'll show our personal portfolio. So I only have £1 in here right now, and this is just from recharging with some money just to verify my account. So I don't actually have any crypto on here. If you invest in crypto coins, it will also show your assets under here as crypto coins, not only your fiat currency like pound and euro. You can also click on buy Bitcoin to directly buy Bitcoin through here. That's how you'd get started. There's also trading on the left hand side and some other information too. So we click buy and sell at the top, and that will open up a box, and basically this panel comes up here, and from here we can just buy crypto very easily. So I would type in the amount of money, so it's set to pounds, and we could also swap it to BTC to type in the amount of crypto we want to buy, but I'd recommend just typing in the amount which you want to spend. So if we're spending £100 every single month, I would type in 100. If it's that time of the month, then we can buy £100 of Bitcoin. Now it says you can buy up to £1 GBP. Now the reason it says that is because we have £1 on our account, so we need to recharge our account to actually buy Bitcoin. But this would be how to buy. This is GBP wallet. You could also add a payment method, because if we don't want to use our wallet, we can also add a debit card, and you can add your card through there and buy crypto in that method. Now on buy and sell, we can also go up to sell. So we could sell crypto. So I could click on sell Bitcoin, and if I had bought Bitcoin just then, I would have Bitcoin to sell. I could type in the amount to sell, and then I could sell Bitcoin directly to the platform and get some currency from that. Converting is basically where you convert one crypto into a different cryptocurrency. So if I've bought Bitcoin, but then Ethereum seems to be performing better, I could enter the amount of Bitcoin I want to transfer into Ethereum, press convert, and I'll receive Ethereum and my Bitcoin will be gone. So that's how you trade directly via Coinbase instead of using peer-to-peer trading. At the top, we have send and receive. So this is how we're going to send our crypto off platform to our wallet. So when we have a wallet set up, we can transfer our coins off here. So when we click on receive, this is basically how to send our Bitcoin to our wallet. So when you have a wallet, you will have an address. Okay, receive is basically sending from our wallet to Coinbase. So we would scan this on the app if our wallet has a QR code scanner, or our phone has a QR code scanner, or we would copy and paste this Bitcoin address, which is my wallet, and we would paste that into the wallet software on send and send it to this wallet address, and then we would receive that in our exchange account. But when we go to send, this would be to send it from Coinbase to our wallet. If we have Bitcoin to send, we type in the number, or we can change it from Bitcoin to something else. Then this would be the address. So obviously you could type in a mobile phone or email, but this is for your wallet address. So you copy the address from your wallet and paste it in here, and then put a note, and then you send it to Coinbase and you'll receive it in your wallet. And that's simple as that. That's the very bare basics of using Coinbase, how to buy, sell, and transfer to your wallet.